It's a good one. Guess what it is? It's from the Woolery. It's a big investment and it's gonna be a game changer. Let's do an unboxing. Here's your first clue. What? Wait a minute. I didn't even order this. They give this to you when you order. That I did order the purple. Nah, of course. Wow, that's awesome that they give you, what, 1 pound of free wool when you order one of these cardboard boxes. Do you guys know what it is yet? I guess I need to set it up a little bit, but it is an electric spindle. Oh snap! A lot of individual parts I need to unwrap here. New school yarn spinning. I'm gonna make my own yarn. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. It's kind of a pivot for my business. Start making my own yarn. Really excited. Woo. These two things. Whoa! Some assembly required here. Power adapter. Oh no, that's the power adapter. That's the pedal? I think the pedal's optional. Are these 3/16 stainless steel dowels? Because if you watched my last video, that's really funny. I had these like cut just like this at the hardware store for my blocking board. And these are almost exactly the same. You know. Like Christmas, all these things to unwrap. Okay, so this probably goes on right here. Might have to read the instructions for this. How to spin. Spinner instructions. A welcoming guide. All this material to read. Assembly instructions. Boom. All right, let's put this aside. I'm making a huge mess, but we're gonna put this together now. Doesn't look too complicated. I love this carrying case. I've been dreaming of this for a while, making my own yarn, having a full control over the kind of yarn that I can make and with better fibers. And it's gonna take time. This isn't like a money saving thing. It's more of a like being able to have creative freedom with the yarn and the things that I make, and maybe one day I can sell some of my yarn too. All right, can you see? I'm trying to set this baby up now. Move. got YouTube on because I suck at reading instructions. I just need somebody to show me. The YouTube is great for that. It's going much better. Let's see if we can get in here. Oh yeah. Got some of this set up already. This is called a lazy Kate, I guess. I'm just learning this stuff now. Setting up the e-spinner wasn't too bad, especially with a little help from YouTube. Shout out to Rain Fiber Arts. Your video helped me a lot, and I learned what some of the parts are called and how they go together. It took maybe an hour or two altogether just to get it set up and working. Look how fast it goes! Oh my god! So cool. I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna give it a go. I made a leader in that blue yarn first to then pull the wool through. I'm testing out the wool they sent me too, by the way. That was so nice of them. Gotta feel it out a little bit at first. Takes a minute, a couple minutes. Okay, here. There we go. Getting the feel for it. I have done this on other types of spindles before, mostly primitive, but this is special. Look at my first little ball of yarn. Not quite the first. I've done this before on a traditional primitive spindle and a drop spindle. So I have a bit of a feel for it already, but first ball on the e-spinner. The control panel on here is pretty simple. On, off, the little light comes on. This is the speed adjustment. And it goes really fast. I'm not gonna blast it right now just because my work is on there, but you saw how fast it went before. Can't even keep up with the fastest speed yet. And you also have Z twist and S twist. This would be for regular ply and that would be for double ply. I haven't plied yet. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do another video based on that, but basically it's clockwise or counterclockwise. And then on this side, you have the power cord, and I've got it plugged into the wall. You can buy a 12-volt adapter accessory though, so I'm gonna have to get one of those and maybe plug it into either the car or the RV or a solar panel or something fun. So that will be another video. And then you also have the foot pedal, which is optional, but I like it because then you can start and stop while keeping both hands on your work. Shout out to Ashford. They are not my sponsor, and neither is the Woolery, but this machine is just such an incredible tool. Very happy with my purchase. The quality is impeccable. It really is. And setting up wasn't too bad at all. You kind of have to like tie and cut some pieces and screw in some parts, and this pops out to adjust tension. And I got this on the right way now. And in here there's like a little hook to pull your leader through this part here, and we get a couple extra bobbins and some spinning oil. And you also get a pound of wool if you order through the Woolery. And again, they're not my sponsor, but that was just so awesome that they sent. I still have a lot more of it to go. And I made all this yarn already. It's really fun to use and it's pretty easy. It's really fast and really quiet, and I love that. And I can't wait to show you all what I make with it. Thanks for watching. This has been Crochet with LJ, unboxing and reviewing the Ashford E Spinner 3. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay up to date on all my newest projects.